Guys, this is Arcus Cloud Nerd Weather, and good day from Nassau. So Nassau here in the Bahamas is our last port of call on the trip. So that means that we're headed back home starting tonight. So the journey to New Jersey began around Saturday, the 7th, and now it will end on the 15th on a Sunday. So, of course, what did I do today? Well, I did kind of do some videos, read my book a little bit, went outside, sat by the Lime Coconut Bar. I seem to like that bar. It's kind of nice. Came back, rested it a little bit, and woke up to the Royal Beach Club out my window. So, which you will see a video of at some point during this vlog. Now, what else is the plan for the rest of the time on the trip? Well, this is not, and I repeat, not the last video of this series. We do have one more, and it's known as a wrap-up video. But at this point, this probably will be one of the last videos we'll do of this series. So if you've been watching it for the time, I'd like to thank you for really coming along with this journey with me. It's been a fun trip. It's going to be challenging to go back to Ohio, but at the same time, it seems like it's warmed up there a bit. So it'll be easier to take. So, question, how was the book? Well, I forgot in my last blog to talk about the book, so I'm going to talk about it a little bit in this one. It was good. It's like a gigantic musical, and basically lots of dancing, lots of acrobatics, you know, the whole deal. And it was pretty good. You know, 55 minutes later, you got yourself something pretty cool. So, I think if I wanted to, I'd probably go see it again at some point, and I think I may have time to do so. With that being said, I did get off the ship briefly in Nassau to walk around a little bit. Got a nice little pier that kind of leads to an area where you can get picked up for the Royal Beach Club, which is pretty cool out my window, which of course you will see in a portion of this video. Now, here's something that gets interesting. What do you do for, say, Friday and Saturday or Thursday or whatever? And the question really becomes is, what can you not do, right? Maybe you go to the show that you wanted to go see. Maybe you go do that puzzle or that casino thing if you're a gambler. I'm not a gambler, so I will not be caught into the casino. But what I will be doing is probably going to see some music, listen to some music from time to time. Just doing a little walk around because I've been getting my steps in. It's a tiresome though steps, but I've been getting them in. So what will I do for dinner? Well, probably go to the Windjammer tonight because I am eating a little lighter tonight. It's so much food here that you get lost in it. You kind of forget that, oh yeah, you got to back off a little bit, or if you eat too much or sometimes too little, it can have an effect. So anyway, so the next few days are basically sea days on our journey back to New Jersey, and I will definitely see you guys then. So this is episode 7 of this series, and I am going to sign out for now. So this is Arcus Cloud Nerd Weather, and like, subscribe, favorite, follow, write a comment if you'd like. Okay, bye-bye.